Hello roller skaters. Today I'm talking about my new setup and also a review of the wheels that came with the new setup. So I've been skating on the Bont Parkstar, the vegan Parkstar boot for a while, and my boot, it's been over a year, and the boot had gotten pretty beat up, so I wanted to get a new boot. Also, I had broke the ankle strap off of my old one, and that was my fault because I was carrying them by the ankle straps, which is a bad idea. So don't be like me. Just, don't carry them by the ankle strap, because I broke my ankle straps off of my old ones. So what I wanted to do was get the new Parkstar boot. This is the new vegan Parkstar boot, but just for the boot alone it costs $209. That's the non-custom price. The custom's more. And what I wanted to do was to get another plate so that I could take my old boots and turn my old boots with less support, the ones that are more broken down with the broken ankle strap, into just like my street skates, just for knocking around the neighborhood or maybe going to the beach or something. And then I wanted to have the new boots that had the ankle strap and they were tougher and stronger to be my park boots. So I got the Bont package deal, because the package deal is like, it was $309 for the package deal, which includes the boots, the Parkstar boots, the vegan Parkstar in this case. It also includes a plate, which Kev changed out the plates for me. This is the plate that it comes with. I don't know if you can see it very well, but this is the tracer aluminum plate.
I got a good shot of it.
Okay, and you probably noticed that the kingpin angle is 20 degrees. That's the angle of this. And the kingpin angle of my plates, which are Reactor Neo plates, is 10 degrees. So I've become accustomed to skating on 10-degree kingpin angle. And also my slide blocks are built for fitting between that kingpin angle. So I didn't want to try to switch over to a 20-degree kingpin angle at the park. Although that's not to say you can't. I mean, you adapt to whatever you're used to. But I was just thinking, for the 20-degree angle for the street, kind of just recreational, boardwalk skating, and then the 10-degree angle for the park, since that's what I'm used to. So I had Kevin switch them around. So Kevin took them off of the tracer plate and mounted the Parkstar boots to this Reactor Neo plates for both of them.
Yeah.
And I thought it was a much better value to do this way, just because the boots alone are $209 US dollars. The boots with the plate, both plates obviously, and all 8 wheels
and bearings, right?
And bearings, and there's a toe stop in the plate too. $309. So this plate is a $99 plate. These wheels are the Park Flow wheels from Bont, and they're for all 8 wheels $98. And the bearings are just like their bottom of the line bearings, but they're like $25. So if you add all that up individually, it's a much better deal to go for the package deal for $309. And you get a choice of the Park Flow or the Street Flow wheels with the package. I got the Park Flow, which are 99A or hardness, so they're pretty hard, and they are, 58 millimeters high, and I wrote this down, 32 millimeters wide, so you can see, they have the beveled edge for slides.
Just a little bit of that.
So bevel. they don't catch on the coping.
Or cheap bearings or inexpensive bearings. They spin.
Yeah, the bearings they're okay. They're just like, you can pay extra if you want to upgrade the bearings, of course. And you can also, with the package deal, you have the option of getting their Street Flow instead of the Park Flow. The only difference is the Street Flow are 89A or hardness, but the size is the same. All right, so I went with the Park Flow, and I like them. Like, they are hard, but I've already been skating a wheel that's 98, and the wheel I was skating was 57 millimeters high. So this is very similar, being a 99 and a 58 millimeter high. The only thing is it feels a little faster. So, because it's just a tiny bit harder, it's a tiny bit bigger, so you get a little more speed. But that's actually really good for our local park, because it's kind of rough. Has a lot of kind of rough concrete with bits of shell and stuff. So this is actually a really good wheel for that. And so, you know, we're not paid by Bont or any company at all, period. So this is just my opinion. I really like these boots, and I really like my Reactor Neo plate for park skating, and I really like these wheels. So now I have a custom setup that Kev has put together for me, which is awesome. And then next I'll get my old boots mounted onto this tracer plate, and then I'll be able to talk about this plate, because I haven't skated this plate yet, but it looks like a nice quality plate, especially for the price. Aluminum and everything. So yeah, I'm just trying to try different things and kind of find out what I like. And I like not having to change wheels between park and street. So it'll be really nice to have one setup with the soft wheels to, you know, go down at the beach or down the neighborhood, and then one setup with the park wheels is ready to go, because I don't want to have to change wheels. So anyway, that's just kind of the overview of the setup that that I have now. And please let us know what setup you're rolling on, or if you are looking at setups, like what you're interested in or what you're saving up for. I know it depends on what's available, but these were finally back in stock, so yeah, I was grateful for that. And please like and comment and subscribe, and look under our playlists if you're interested in different kinds of videos, because we categorize them all by playlist. But we'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.